So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to restore your photos or videos from trash. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the gallery app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and let's open it. Now you can select the photos or videos which you want to delete. Here I have selected lots of photos and I delete it. Now you can go to your folders. Then here you can see trash, and you can again click on restore, where you can select and you can restore. You can tap on restore and you can click on allow button. Here your photos are restored like this. So that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.